Hi, this is Cindy from Vintage to New with another video tutorial. I love using little facings at hems and at different places throughout my garments. If you're sewing a straight seam, like a straight hem, you don't need to cut it on the bias. It can be just from salvage to salvage. So let me show you how I do these hems and these trims. So I have my 1-inch facing right side to the wrong side of the hem of my garment, and I sew it on using a 1/4-inch stitch, and I sew all the way around. I have my facing is the exact same size as the hem of my garment. I'm finishing up going all the way around my garment, ending up right where I started. Okay, clip my threads. And then what you have is something that looks like this. Now I'm going to take it over to my iron and I'm going to press it open this way. So here's the wrong side. I'm going to press it like that. Okay, as you can see, I've pressed it over on itself just like that. Now what I need to do is take it over to my ironing board, and I'm going to turn up this edge about a 1/4 inch. It should come right to the edge that I sewed previously. So see, just turn it up right to that edge, and I'm going to press that too. Okay, as you can see, I have turned up this edge so that it meets the raw edge that I sewed before and pressed it. Then I took it and I pressed it one more time so that it comes up, and I have a very nice edge here along the bottom, and then I have my folded edge right there. Now I'm going to take it and sew it down. Okay, I would begin sewing as close to that fold as I can get and just sew a nice straight line along that fold. Okay, I'm going to stop and show you what that looks like. So this would be the bottom hem. And as you can see, I have just a really nice little finish, a really nice little contrast. You can cut your own 1-inch trims or 2-inch trims or whatever you want to go at the bottom of your hem. But as you can see, that's how close I sewed it to the edge. Now, if you wanted to add a little something extra, you could add rickrack in this hem by just tucking it in, so just the little point sticks up, and sew along doing the same thing. Just tuck it in and just keep sewing along. So just the very tip of that rickrack sticks up. And let me show you what that looks like. And so that would be the hem of your dress or your shirt or whatever it is you're sewing, with the contrast hem and then the rickrack at the top. So you can do it plain or with the rickrack. I wanted to show you another project that I used the same technique on. This is the back of a little ruffle skirt, and I used it to encase my raw edge on this ruffle, that ruffle, and I also used it on the underskirt hem. As you can see, the hem is done right there. So if you can learn to master this technique, you will have a great many places you can use it, and it's really fun and easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Talk again soon. Bye.